Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Grace Joy. On this day, we decided to enjoy the outdoors a little bit and go on a day trip to Flagler Beach and St. Augustine area. We took the scenic A1A route so we can enjoy the seaside scenery while driving. It was a beautiful but very warm day. Thankful the sun was out and apparently the surf was pretty okay too, so the surfers were out surfing by the Flagler Beach Pier. Here you can see my parents and my brother Daniel enjoying the fresh air as well. We checked out the chalkboard outside the Funky Pelican restaurant and then walked over to the other side of the pier. I decided to walk on this little boardwalk to get closer to the water. You may notice that the pier is empty and closed for fishing activities on this day. And although the sun, water, and sand were inviting, there were not too many people on the beach when we got here. It was around midday. And this is just one of the reasons why we love this beach, because there's never a lot of people and you just have these panoramic, wide open spaces to enjoy. Here's the crowd to the left of the pier, and you can see the red flag flying, which means the surf is high or there are dangerous currents or both. Some parts of the boardwalk and parking closest to the pier was also closed. So we went to the little park across the street and I'll let you enjoy some of the drone footage I took. It was absolutely beautiful on this day and I'm so thankful we were able to enjoy a piece of it with my family.
If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment below if you love the beach and which is your favorite. Please click like and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload another video about life here in the Sunshine State of Florida. And don't forget to subscribe, it really helps my channel. And until next time, have courage and be kind.